windows.old folder is generated by the Windows operating system. When you upgrade from one version of Windows to another, the Windows old folder contains all the files and data from your previous Windows installation. Usually Windows old folder is saved in C drive under the Windows folder, as you can see on this screen. Windows.old folder gets deleted automatically 10 days after Windows upgrade. But if you want to delete it now, you have to follow specific way to delete it. You can't simply delete it in a typical way. Only hit delete button. So let's see how to delete it. First, double click on this PC or my computer. Windows old folder should be in the C drive. So, select C drive and right click on the mouse. Select properties from the context menu. Now select disk cleanup in the new window. Now select cleanup system files. Scroll down and find out previous Windows installation. Select this and of course mark this, then hit OK. Select delete files. Click on yes. Now Windows will take a little bit time to process this. So after completing this process, there will be no Windows old folder and you will get back your space. So that's it today. Thanks for being here. Please subscribe and like this video.